Years. It was thought the danger to firefighters ended when the flames were extinguished. Now research is showing that after the fire is out, the smoke and fumes from burned materials continues to pose a significant risk. The International Association of Firefighters now says the leading cause of death among firefighters is cancer. And as Dave Delosier tells us, fire departments are making changes to deal with the problem.
The smoke and fire are our greatest hazards when we're going in and fighting the fire. But now we're finding out that the bigger hazard is after the fire is out.
Peter Silva Jr. is an instructor at Madison College's Fire Academy and a longtime firefighter with the Air Force and in Kenosha. He says up until recently, exposure to smoke and toxic soot wasn't seen as a problem.
It was never really something thought about when I first started 32 years ago. It was a badge of honor to come out with all your gear dirty, having a dirty helmet, having dirty gear.
But a study conducted by the National Institutes of Health is showing exposure to smoke and toxic soot increases firefighters' risk of cancer.
And they're seeing a significant increase in a variety of cancers as a function of their environmental exposure as part of the jobs they're doing.
The NIH study tracked nearly 30,000 firefighters across the country in 2010. It found firefighters to have a higher rate of cancer than the general population.
And just by being on the fire department, I've had 3 very close friends that died on my old department due to cancer, died younger in their 40s or their 50s.
In years past, firefighters were exposed to asbestos when dealing with a fire in an older building. Now, when modern building materials burn, firefighters are exposed to toxins released by the fire.
That creates increased exposure to things that sometimes we don't know a lot about as far as how they impact or change the cells in our body.
To deal with the problem, fire departments across the country are making changes. Air tanks that once held 30 minutes of oxygen are now being expanded to 45 minutes of protection. And the importance of keeping the mask on longer is not lost on firefighters.
It's vitally critical. I mean, having this stuff on our back and on our face is what's basically going to protect us.
At Madison College, this is Dave Delosier, WISC News 3.
Now, getting firefighters to wear the protective equipment longer is also a cultural battle. For years, not wearing a mask was seen as a sign of strength for firefighters. Now at the Madison College Fire Academy, they're stressing to students the importance of the gear in preventing cancer down the road.